Need for consumer protection. To protect consumers from exploitation. Consumers are often exploited through adulteration, false weights, defective goods, and misleading advertisements. Sellers usually have more knowledge and power. Consumer protection laws prevent unfair trade practices. They ensure fair treatment of consumers. Imbalance of power. There is inequality between consumers and traders. Producers have economic strength, technical knowledge, and legal support. Consumers are generally weak and unorganized. Consumer protection aims to balance this inequality. It empowers consumers legally. Complex goods and services. Modern goods and services are highly technical and complex. Ordinary consumers cannot judge quality or safety. Defects may cause serious harm. Consumer protection ensures quality standards. It holds manufacturers and service providers accountable. Misleading advertisements. Advertisements often exaggerate or misrepresent facts. Consumers are influenced by attractive claims. This leads to deception and loss. Consumer protection laws regulate advertisements. They protect consumers from false promises. To provide speedy redressal. Traditional courts are slow, costly, and complex. Consumers need quick and inexpensive remedies. Consumer protection provides simple procedures. Special forums ensure speedy justice. Consumer as king concept. In a healthy market, consumer satisfaction is central. Consumer protection promotes ethical business practices. It encourages competition based on quality. This benefits both consumers and the economy. Social welfare objective. Consumer protection is part of welfare legislation. It protects public interest and promotes social justice. It ensures dignity and safety of consumers. The law recognizes consumers as an important section of society. Conclusion. The history of consumer protection shows a shift from buyer beware to seller responsibility. The need for consumer protection arises from industrialization, market complexity, and consumer vulnerability. By protecting consumers from exploitation and providing effective remedies, consumer protection laws promote fairness, trust, and confidence in the market. This topic is highly relevant for LLB examinations and understanding modern consumer law.